औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. As you know, we are dealing with verbal problems involving pair of linear equations in two variables. In our previous 2-3 videos, we have seen about 8 to 10 examples. Now in this video also, let us solve 2 to 3 more examples on verbal problems on pair of linear equations into variables. So the today's first example is 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times his son. Find their present ages. So this is the example. Now let us consider the present age of Jacob as x years and that of his sons as y years. Let Jacob's present age is equal to x, his son's present age is equal to y. Now reading or going through the first condition, we'll be getting the first equation. Now go through the first condition. The first condition is 5 years hence, means after 5 years the Jacob's age will become x plus 5 and his son's age will become y plus 5, and the condition is his son's age is 3 times that of Jacob's age, isn't it? So the mathematical form of this sentence will be x plus 5 is equal to 3 into bracket y plus 5. So you simplify this to get the first linear equation in two variables. So x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y, 3y plus 3 5 is 15. Take 3y towards left and plus 5y towards right. So x minus 3y is equal to 15. Plus 5 shifted to RHS, it will become minus 5. So x minus 3y is equals to 15 minus 5 means 10. So this is the first pair of the first linear equation in two variables. Now if you go through the second sentence or second condition, you will get a mathematical form, and if you simplify that mathematical form, again the second linear equation in two variables what we are going to get. Now read out the second condition. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So 5 years ago back, x minus 5 is equal to 7 times 7 into bracket the age of his son before 5 years ago will be y minus 5. Simplify this. X minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 7 5 is 35. X bring plus 7y this side, minus 7y is equal to minus 35. Take minus 5 that side, you will be getting plus 5. So x minus 7y is equals to minus 35 plus 5 will be minus 30. So this is our second linear equation in two variables. So now we have got a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us solve them by the method of elimination. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get x minus 3y is equal to 10. Below, x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. We are subtracting, we have to change the sign. This is minus, this is plus, and this is also plus. Plus x minus x will be cancelling. Minus 3y plus 7y will be plus 4y is equal to plus 10. Plus 30 will be plus 40. 4y is equal to 40. Therefore, y is equal to 40 upon 4. After cancellation, the value of y is 10. Now, substituting this y is equal to 10 in either of the two equations, we will be getting the value of x. So x minus 3y is equal to 10. This is first equation. Now x as it is, minus 3 into bracket y is 10 is equal to 10. X minus 3 tens are 30 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 30. If you shift it to right hand side, you will be getting plus 30, and you know 10 plus 30 will be 40. Hence the value of X will be 40. So our answers, Jacob's present age is equal to 40 years and his son's present age is 10 years. So in this way, this is the solution of today's first example. So dear students, let us solve second example. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, she will be twice as old as Sonu. Find their present ages. So this is the example. Now let us consider the present age of Noori as X years and the present age of Sonu as Y years. Now according to the first condition, 5 years ago means X minus 5 is equal to thrice, means 3 into bracket Y minus 5. Now simplify this. X minus 5 is equal to 3Y minus 15. X minus 3Y is equal to minus 15 minus 5 shifted to RHS, you will get plus 5 minus 15 plus 5 will be minus 10. Hence the first equation will be X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. Call this as equation number 1. Now according to second condition, 10 years later means after 10 years, the Noori's age will be X plus 10 and Sonu's age will be Y plus 10. But the condition is Sonu's age, Noori's age will be twice that of Sonu's age. So X plus 10 is equal to 2 into bracket Y plus 10 will be the mathematical format of the second condition given in the example. Now simplify this. X plus 10 is equal to 2Y plus 20. 2 into Y, 2Y plus 2 tens are 20. X minus 2Y is equal to 20. Shift plus 10 to RHS, you will get minus 10. X minus 2Y is equal to 20 minus 10, 10. Call this as equation number 2. Now, two equations are with you. Solve them by elimination method. So, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, X minus 3Y is equal to minus 10. This is our equation 1. X minus 2Y is equal to plus 10. This is our equation number 2. We are subtracting. We have to change the sign. Plus X will be converted to minus 2Y plus 2Y and plus 10 will be converting to minus 10. Plus X minus X will be cancelling, eliminating. Minus 3Y plus 2Y will be minus 1Y, that is minus Y is equal to minus 10 minus 20. So if minus Y is equal to minus 20, Y should be equal to plus 20, or in other words Y is equal to 20. So this is the value of Y. Now substituting this value either in 1 or equation 2 to get the value of X. So substituting Y is equal to 20 in equation 2. Equation 2 is X minus 2Y is equal to 10. Okay, X minus 2 into bracket, replace Y by its value, that is 20, is equal to 10. X minus 2 20s are 40 is equal to 10. So X is equal to 10 minus 40 will become plus 40. 10 plus 40 will be 50. So hence Noori's present age, that is the value of X, that is 50 years, and Sonu's present age, value of Y, that is 20 years. So this is the solution of today's second example. So dear students, let us solve one more example. The example is the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So this is the example. Now let us consider the 2-digit number as 10x plus y. 10x because 10th place digit, and 1y, that is unit place digit. So 10x plus y will be our 2-digit number. Now according to first condition, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. That is x plus y is equal to 9. This is our equation number 1. Now to get the equation number 2, we have to consider the second condition, that is also 9 times this number, means this number 9 times 9 into bracket 10x plus y is equal to twice the number which is obtained by reversing the order, means 10y plus x. 2 into bracket 10y plus x. 9 into bracket 10x plus y is equals to 2 into bracket 10y plus x. Now simplify this to get the second equation. So 90x plus 9 ones are 9y is equal to 2 tens are 20y plus 2 into x 2x. 90x plus 9y, bring plus 20y this side, minus 20y, bring 2x also towards left side, minus 2x is equal to 0. 90x minus 2x will be 88x, plus 9y minus 20y will be minus 11y is equals to 0. Divide whole equation by 11. So by dividing whole equation by 11, we will be getting 8x minus 11 ones are 11, that is 1y is equal to 0. 11 8s are 88, that is 88x minus y is equal to 0 will be our second equation. Now adding equations 1 and 2, we get x plus y is equal to 9. This is our equation 1, and 8x minus y is equal to 0 is equation 2. We are adding to 1x plus 8x will be 9x, plus y minus y will be eliminated. Okay, this is equal to 9 plus 0 will be 9. 9x is equal to 9, therefore x is equal to 9 upon 9 is equal to 1. So the value of 10th place digit is 1. 1 into 10 will be 10. So later we see it. Now substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 1. So let us substitute the value of x in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 9. So replace x by 1. 1 plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9. Shift plus 1 to RHS minus 1. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 means unit place digit is 8. Hence the required number 10x, 10 into 1, this is 10, plus y is 8. So 10 plus 8 will be 18. So in this way the required number in this example is 18. So this is the solution for the third example of today's video.